Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C31, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notification panel and locate the screen recorder, which for me is right over here. Once you see it, you can tap on it. It will give you a couple options so you can record sounds. We have microphone, device, or both, and simply choose whichever one you want. I'm gonna stick with the device audio, and additionally you have also show touches on screen, which will just record semi-transparent gray dot whatever you are pressing the screen, just so it's visible on the recording. I'm gonna enable it just so you can see how it looks like. From there, let's select start. It will give you a countdown, and from there start recording. So whatever you will do right now will be obviously recorded. So any kind of app you open, and once you're done with your recording, you can simply pull down your notifications, tap to stop, and there we go. The video recording that we have captured can be located in the Photos application. As you can see, it will show up as the most recent photo or media, I guess. And there we go. So that is how you could record your screen on this phone, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.